So continuing 155 Polar Rock Road. So again, we've got the stains there, you can see. Again, really hard to see on the video, but there's a lot of stains there. Again, the carpet needs changing, which I already said. So the hardware, let's sort that out. Needs replacing. Doors look good though. There's the doors, hardware. Doors and hardware. Okay, so in the bathroom here. See, under here, the supply lines look good. No issues, no obvious issues there. What I would say is this toilet is very unlikely to work. Only really know once the water comes on, so we can't really tell at this point, but I can tell you there's probably a 10% chance of that working. And my maintenance guys said exactly the same thing. Very little chance of this working. So that will more than likely need replacing. So you can see all this. Okay, so this all looks good. So just the toilet really will need changing in here. Going through, and again, hardware on this door is non-existent. Hardware here is non-existent. Basically throughout the house you have to change most of the hardware. But the actual frames and the trims of the doors looking good. Okay, so in here we've got a small trash out to get rid of this. Some kind of broken glass. Light fixtures missing throughout the house, like that. So you can see that there. A few patches on the ceiling, which could suggest a bigger issue, depending on when that happened. It's a wet patch. Okay. Supply lines looking good. Bathroom looking good. All looks in good condition there. Now this toilet looks good. Doesn't look like it's going to need replacing like the other one. Again, I'll just do a pan of the room. Sink there, everything's looking good. Light. Again, the paint in here, it will need repainting. You can see examples of the kind of mess, the marks and stuff all over. So there's more marks. It's really hard. In fact, you can't really see that on the video, but there's a lot of marks on the walls there. Bring your attention to the panel breaker here. Looks like all the wiring has been stolen. Those. You can see there were wires before. Just down this way. So you can see there where it should be. Holes in the wall? Any holes?
Just there, the panel is all I really saw.
Okay. So the damage of the wiring, I mean, if it's just here, it might not be as big an issue. But I mean, if it's taken here, it could also be a big issue. So again, you can't really tell until you really have an electrician in to look at that. I'm going to go upstairs now. Let me show you that. Again, the carpet here is filthy. Needs replacing. Filthy, all along here. So this is the hallway. Paint looks okay in here. No real issues. It's all looking good upstairs. Okay, so the carpet down here. Again, you can see stains, big stains. It's going to need replacing. The walls are stained, so you can see that. Another stain. Kind of marks and stains all along the walls. It's hard to see from the video, but believe me, they're there. As we go close up, you can see a few. Okay, so we're in kind of a sub hallway here. I'm going to go up and show you the furnace, which, as I expected, has been basically, you can see this, it's been taken apart, parts stolen, pipes pulled apart. A lot of damage up here. It's probably going to need to be completely replaced. It's no good anymore. Just stay on that for a second so you can see it. No chance of this working or being easily repaired. It's going to have to be replaced.